Keep your environment comfortable and quiet anytime, from anywhere, with the Pinguino Smart Portable Air Conditioner with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility. Great for spaces up to 700 square feet, this unit's cooling and heating modes let you choose your ideal temperature. Dehumidifier and fan functions are also available when you need them. One of the most convenient things about this unit is that it's extremely portable, so you can move it from room to room. Plus, setup is simple and requires no tools, thanks to the included window kit. It's so easy to use, too. Just download the Pinguino app and remotely adjust the temperature, setting schedules, fan speeds, and modes right from your smartphone or tablet. You can even connect it to your smart speakers for simple voice control. Or just manually make changes with the light-up sensor touch panel or the included remote. Keep excess noise to a minimum by selecting the Whisper Cool option, or use the exclusive Real Feel function for the optimal balance of temperature and humidity reduction. For added convenience, this unit is also equipped with motorized airflow control, as well as a biosilver coating that helps to prevent the growth of mold and mildew on the filter. Comfort is made easy with the Pinguino Smart with Wi-Fi connection and smart speaker compatibility Whisper Cool Portable Air Conditioner.
Getting to know your Frigidaire portable air conditioner is easy. The settings and features on your model may vary. Before getting started, make sure to remove all packaging materials. If just installed, allow the air conditioner to sit upright for 1 hour before operating. Let's go over the modes available on most models and how to use them. In cool mode, all fan speeds are available to choose from. You can select your desired temperature by pressing the up and down indicators. When using the dry mode, you are unable to change the temperature, but the room temperature will show in the display. The fan speed will default to low and cannot be changed. The unit will continuously drain moisture from the room, and therefore condensate drainage is also required. For more information, refer to the continuous draining instructions in your use and care manual. In fan mode, low, medium, and high fan settings are available. The display will show the room temperature. You do not need the air exhaust hose to be connected. Heat mode is also available on some models. This setting allows the unit to provide supplemental heat. All fan speed settings are available. In heat mode, the heat pump drain hose is required. Refer to the instructions in your use and care manual. When using auto mode, you can select your desired temperature setting. The unit will automatically cool, heat, or run fan-only operation, depending on your temperature selection. As a note, you are not able to change the fan speed when in auto mode. When your air conditioner is in cool, heat, or auto mode, you can also use the sleep feature. The fan speed will default to auto and cannot be changed. In cool mode, the temperature will increase by 2 degrees 30 minutes after selected, and then another 2 degrees after an additional 30 minutes. In heat mode, the temperature will decrease by 2 degrees 30 minutes after selected, and then another 2 degrees after an additional 20 minutes. This adjusted temperature is active for 7 hours before returning the originally selected temperature. Sleep feature can be canceled at any time by pressing sleep, fan speed, or the mode button. The brightness of your display will also dim during sleep feature. You may be able to set a timer on your air conditioner depending on your model. The timer function enables you to either delay start or delay stop your air conditioner from 30 minutes to 24 hours. To set the timer for delay start, the unit must be turned off. To set the timer for delay stop, the unit must be turned on. Next, press the timer button and adjust the timer setting by pressing the up or down indicators until your desired time selection, up to 24 hours. The display will count down the time remaining until the unit either starts or stops. Once the time is completed, to use the timer function again, you will need to reset your selections. Finally, the temperature can be adjusted by using the up and down indicators until the desired temperature is shown in the display. To change from Fahrenheit to Celsius, simply press the up and down button at the same time and hold for more than 3 seconds. You will not be able to switch from Fahrenheit to Celsius if the unit is in dry or fan mode. Don't forget to check your use and care manual for tips using your air conditioner remote control and the remote sensing feature if available. We're here to help. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online at the Frigidaire website.
Welcome to the installation video for the Midea Duo Portable Air Conditioner. Today we'll go through the installation process and operation for your air conditioner, as well as highlight the features that make the Duo unique. Unboxing. When opening the box, you will find your Midea Duo Portable Air Conditioner with 5 window panels, sliding window adapters and air divider, window kit brace, window slider foam, 4 pieces of foam A, 2 pieces of foam B, and 2 pieces of foam C. An installation packet can be found in the exhaust hose, which contains the user manual, installation hardware, a drain hose and adapter, and 1 remote with batteries. For models with heating, a hose insulation kit is included. Hung window installation. For hung window installations, first measure the width of your window and cut 1 piece of foam A for the window sill, and cut another piece for the window sash. Install each piece of foam on the window. Prepare the window slider by choosing the combination from the table in the user manual and slide the panels together. If your window requires 2 or more panels, use a bolt to fasten each panel while leaving the end panel loose for adjustment. Next, install foam B to the sides of the window frame or the ends of the window panels depending on your installation. Now you can insert the window slider into the window opening. Make sure the hose cutout is positioned at the top of the panel and the ends of the window slider are inserted into the window track. Adjust the sliders so the assembly fits tight in your window and insert the final bolt. For added insulation, install the window slider foam to the outside of the panels. If necessary, install the window kit brace to prevent the slider assembly from moving when the hose is attached. Close the window and install the window security bracket found in the installation hardware bag. Now cut foam C to fit in between the window sashes. Notice the unique hose design. It is 2 hoses in 1, with an inlet and an outlet. This design allows for better cooling performance than traditional single hose units. For optimal performance, install the air exhaust adapter onto the exhaust hose by rotating the adapter clockwise until the tabs click into place. Finally, extend the hose from your air conditioner and attach it to the window slider, ensuring all 4 tabs click into place. Plug in your air conditioner and press the power button. Select your operating mode, fan speed, and temperature set point. See the user manual for a detailed description of all modes and features. Optional sliding window installation. For the optional sliding window installation, first measure the height of your window and cut 1 piece of foam A for the window frame and cut another piece for the window sash. Install each piece of foam on the window. Prepare the window slider by choosing the combination from the table in the user manual and slide the panels together. If your window requires 2 or more panels, use 2 bolts, 1 on each side, to fasten each panel while leaving the end panel loose for adjustment. Next, install foam B to the top and bottom of the window frame or the ends of the window panels depending on your installation. Install the window sliders into your window, making sure the hose cutout is positioned away from the window frame. Adjust the sliders so the assembly fits tight in your window and insert the final bolts. For added insulation, install the window slider foam to the outside of the panels. If necessary, install the window kit brace to prevent the slider assembly from moving when the hose is attached. Close the window and install the included window security bracket found in the installation hardware bag. Now, cut foam C to fit in between the window sashes. To prepare your Midea Duo Portable Air Conditioner, first assemble the sliding window adapter by aligning and connecting the 2 pieces until they click together. Double check they are correctly aligned and secure with the provided screw. Then attach the air divider until it clicks into place. Attach the adapter to the hose by lining up the circle on the adapter with the circle on the hose and install until all 4 tabs click in place. Finally, connect the hose to the window slider assembly. Plug in your Midea Duo portable air conditioner and press the power button. Select your operating mode, fan speed, and temperature set point. See the user manual for a detailed description of all modes and features. Condensate drain hose setup. If using your Midea Duo portable air conditioner in dry mode, remove the cover and plug from the top drain outlet and connect the supplied drain hose. Save the cap and plug if you wish to change modes at a later date. Secure the drain hose to a bucket or use the adapter to connect to a longer hose. A garden hose can be optionally attached to the threaded outlet if desired. Ensure the end of the drain hose is secure to prevent leaks. For heat mode, remove the middle drain hose cover and plug and attach the supplied drain hose. Ensure the end of the drain hose is secured to prevent leaks. When enough condensate is generated during heating mode, the drain pump will be activated and pump the condensate out. The drain pump can pump up to 6 feet above the hose connection. During cool mode, condensate does not typically need to be drained. However, for high humidity environments, enough condensate may be generated so that the P1 code appears on the display. To continue operation, remove the drain cover and plug and empty the condensate from the bottom tray. Thank you for watching the installation video for your Midea Duo portable air conditioner. For additional support, call our customer service team at 1-866-646-4332.